Hey there, folks. If you're trying to figure out how to receive Zelle payments using your TD Bank account, you're in the right place. Zelle is a super convenient way to get money from friends, family, or even clients, and TD Bank makes it straightforward. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the steps so you can start receiving payments hassle-free. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have a TD Bank account set up. If you don't, head over to the TD Bank website or app and sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, look for the Zelle option. Most TD Bank users can access Zelle directly through their mobile app or online banking portal. If it's your first time, you'll need to enroll. Simply search for Zelle in the app's menu or go to the Payments section. Next, verify your identity and link your email address or phone number. This is crucial because Zelle uses these to send and receive money securely. TD Bank will guide you through a quick verification process, which might involve entering a code sent to your phone or email. Once that's done, you're almost ready to go. Now, to receive a payment, just share your enrolled email or phone number with the person sending you money. They'll use the Zelle app or their bank's Zelle service to send the funds. On your end, keep an eye on your TD Bank app or account notifications. Zelle payments usually arrive in minutes. Remember, there might be daily limits, so check your TD Bank settings if you're expecting a larger amount. One important tip: always double-check that the email or phone number you're using is the one linked to your TD Bank account to avoid any mix-ups. Also, for security, never share sensitive info like your account number. Wrapping this up, receiving Zelle payments with TD Bank is a breeze once you get the hang of it. It saves time and makes managing your money easier. If you run into any issues, TD Bank's customer support is there to help. Give it a try today and make your transactions smoother than ever. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more handy tips. See you next time.